Today's lesson is on passive movement openings. You've heard me talk about there's three openings. There's active, you grab and push and turn. There's passive, where you throw a fake and you hope he goes for it. Well, this is passive movement opening, and it's a lot more difficult than those two. There's two fighting positions, so there's two ways to do a passive movement opening. From a stomach's in position, which we're in now, if he switches, we're in a stomach's out position. So if he switches back and we start turning, you have to see what targets are available, because a lot of sparring is what's available. So we start to turn. Everybody likes to go this way. So now let's think about this. What is it I'm bringing to my opponent? And what is he bringing to me? I'm bringing him the back of my head. And he's bringing me the back of his head. So I start turning and bang. Why did I throw it then? Because look, he can't kick. His movement is flat. This is the only thing in my way in that shot. So again, it's a matter of movement. So I start to turn and bang, he does the same thing. So I'm turning with him and there's the back of his head. But again, what am I bringing to him? I'm bringing him the back of my head. So this is a timing issue. Switch sides. This is stomach's out. Now, if I get him to duck walk, that's a favor for me because he turns and he's bringing me his chest. You might think that's the simplest way. I have scored way too many points on people by going stomachs out and me being the duck walk. Because when we turn, what's he bringing me? The back of his head. My foot has the weight and I've got a roundhouse kick. So if he duck walks and I turn, back of the head, round kick, bang. If you look on the very first video, the introduction, you'll see me hit somebody with that. And it looks like the guy literally went, go ahead and hit me. All I did was I turned here and he took that step and I kicked him. That's a back of the head roundhouse kick off of a passive movement opening. So when you turn with your opponent, look for openings from stomachs out and stomachs in.